H-shaped steel is a widely used profile in steel structure construction today. It has the advantages of large load-bearing capacity, good cross-sectional stability, and light structural weight. With the widespread application of H-shaped steel in the market, traditional production processes are no longer able to meet the growing demand for usage. So how to improve production capacity and stand out in numerous industry competitions? Longxin Laser has launched a targeted K51 laser profile cutting center. Easily achieve cutting processes such as cutting, beveling, and cutting. A fully automated production line that transforms directly from drawings to finished products. Intelligent system automatically recognizes Tekla mathematical model of steel structures. No need for manual disassembly of drawings, one-click generation of component machining codes. It is also equipped with precision calibration and compensation functions, implementing automatic positioning and error detection during cutting. Ensure the accuracy of cutting dimensions and improve cutting accuracy. In the system, automatic splicing of leftover materials and short tail material cutting function significantly reduce waste of raw materials and lower production material costs. Longxin Laser Profile Cutting Center K51, suitable for cutting and producing various types of steel. It can also cut and process pipes such as channel steel, heart-shaped steel, and C-shaped steel. Assist enterprises in optimizing production processes, improve production capacity and make pipe cutting easier.